Hey guys, in this video, we are going to share 3 extremely powerful phrases that you can use to convince anyone. They work well because they talk to the subconscious of the listener. So let's get started. The first phrase is, I'm not sure if it's for you, but... One of the most common reasons why people fail to introduce a new idea or they fail to express their opinion is because of fear of rejection. They fear that people will reject their idea. It could be as simple as inviting someone over for dinner, but you don't ask because you're scared that they might say no to you. But there is a solution to this. What we do is strategically use words with a rejection-free approach. What you have to say is this: I'm not sure if it's for you, but... When you open the statement with this phrase, what the listener's subconscious hears is, there is no pressure on me. There's no pressure because it is not directed towards me. But it creates a suspense in the listener, and the listener gets more interested and curious and he wants to know more about it. It is like indirectly saying that you might be interested in this, but I will only tell you if you ask me. Let us take a couple of examples to understand this better. First example, I'm not sure if it's for you, but we have plans on Saturday and you are welcome to join us. Second example, I'm not sure if it's for you, but this option is available for this month only and I would hate for you to miss out. The beauty of this phrase is that it has very simple outcomes. Either the person becomes interested and they want to know more, or in the worst case scenario, they say that they will give it a thought, but there is no clear rejection here. They will not directly say no to you. The second phrase is to use open-minded in the statement. Now, if I ask you whether you are an open-minded person or not, I'm 100% sure that you will say yes, you are an open-minded person. Most of the people consider themselves as open-minded. There are very few people who would say that they are close-minded, because usually when you say that you are a close-minded person, it gives a bad impression on other people. Now that we know that everyone considers themselves as open-minded, we will use this for our advantage. Whenever you are introducing a new idea or opinion, maybe with a team member or with a friend or with a prospective customer, start with the statement, how open-minded are you? And then you follow up with your idea and opinion which you want the other person to agree to or say yes to. Let's see how you can do this with a few examples. How open-minded would you be about trying this as an option? Would you be open-minded about giving this a chance? Would you be open-minded about seeing if we could work together? The reason why this works is because there are 2 sub-questions hidden in this question. The first question is if you are an open-minded person, and the second question is, are you interested in my idea? So usually people say yes to the first question, that is they are open-minded, but they indirectly also say yes to your idea or your opinion. The third phrase is to use don't worry. Now this is a very simple phrase, but it is underrated. If you use this phrase in the right situation with the right person, this can be extremely effective. When you observe someone feeling anxious or apprehensive, or they are doubtful, or they are not sure what to do next, or maybe they are fearful about what is going to come next, these 2 magic words provide instant relief and the person feels much better and in control. A few examples how you can use this is, first, don't worry. You are bound to be nervous right now. Don't worry. I know that you don't know what to do right now, but that's what I'm here for. Lastly, don't worry. I felt just the way you feel right now when I got started, but look at me now. There are many situations in life when you want good for other people, and so you give them suggestion and advice. Sometimes the listener finds it difficult to take a decision whether to do it or not. This is where you can use this statement to make them feel better. You could say, don't worry, I know it's a struggle in the short run, but in the long run, you will see the benefits, you will reap the benefits, and you will thank me later. So don't worry. We have now come to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, please like and share this video. please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to be updated about new uploads. Thank you.